I want to do a quick video on how to do a gross up check. I've created my payroll, and I'm going to come out here and go under my View Pay Statements. I'm going to add a new pay statement for a single employee. Let's pick Ann. And in my pay statement type, there should be one for gross up. I can enter the earning that I want to pay. So let's say I'm going to use my bonus and I want it to be for $1,000. I'm going to hit save, and that'll have the system calculate what to pay. Now, one thing you're going to notice is, I'm going to minimize this little thing here, and let's do full screen just so you can see more of what's going on. Here's where it entered my bonus for $1,000, but you'll notice up here at the top, I also have another $82.83. Well, that's how much it grossed up for FICA and Medicare. And you'll notice that mine, I could have it so it's showing the employer amounts as well. The gross up checks, we tend to just only have it work on earnings and taxes, and you'll notice that it's zeroing out the state and the federal amounts. So that's how I can do an individual gross up. Let's go to preview just so you might be able to see it a little cleaner here. So it's $1,082, but down here it comes down to $1,000 net. So what happens if I want to do this for a group of people? Well, keep in mind, just like any other payroll, I can use my import time. And in my import template, one of the things that I need to fill out is, let's just go ahead and say open with Excel. And one of the things I have to say is my pay statement type, and I'll put gross up in that column. And then I can still put in my earning for $1,000, and it'll do the gross up calculation for me. So I can do this using an import, or I can do it one by one on individual employees. Hope that helps.